What's guys? Unique TV, Wagwan. Big up yourself, enough love. So guys, I got some packages. So I'm gonna do some unboxing with you. Hope you guys are doing well. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. It's gonna say whole heap of love. Alright. So let's see what's in these. Amazon. One thing here, guys, as you order something, no minute. Jewelry cleaner. Yeah, turmeric soap. Alright, so these are all we have here. This is how it looks. Anyways, let's see what's going on. Okay, so we got screen protectors, and also I'm gonna change up the style on the phone. You know how it goes. And as time goes by, you know, they look away. But it's best to keep your phone, you know, in a case. As I can see, this is a iPhone 14 Pro Max, and look at it. It could sell for brand new right now. Clean. I don't think it can work like that though. I think this has to come off as well. Oh, this cannot fit. This look good though. I don't even know if this look good. Well, I guess it's a different look. A different feeling, yeah, kind of. But this is an outer box, so this is more, you know, protective. So I don't know. that is that. Also, I got a protective case for my Samsung Galaxy 23 Samsung 23s, and definitely I'm gonna be cleaning my jewels for sure. And guys, this is a good soap. This is the turmeric soap, guys. Really good. It's really good, guys. I'm using it and I'm telling you, it's doing me, you know. It's doing a good job for me. Yeah, so this can hold me for a while. So it's 4 of them. It's really good. Also, we got protector. Just like that. Even make it look bigger. Rosa, your watch.
My watch?
Yeah. I got this something for it.
Oh, you got a thing for it.
Yeah. But tell me if you like this, guys. Are you like, you know, this one more? This is more, you know, protective. And the outer box thing. I think this is nice still, but I think I just have to just work in myself with it. It's rubber. It's nice. And I like the color gold. Yeah, I like gold. So I got one for Rosa as well. She can cover hers. Because no minute you'll see that the screen, you know, scrape, you know. I don't know. Sometimes you don't even go anywhere, you just scrape. So, you know, it's best to have one of these. Alright, look at myself, guys, hold it for love. And definitely I'm going to be changing my other phone protector as well. But that will be on a later date. Alright, big up on yourself and enough love. Alright. Make the phone look smaller though.
That my phone, my watch?
Yeah. Big up on yourself, guys. Hold it for love. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, alright? Later.